make it 60, 65, 75, coming off the ground. Gear is travelling. Is up.
Yeah, we've got,
but anyway, here we are. We'll see how the flight turns out today. It takes us over the Urals, and the weather is unusually warm for this time of the year, they say, and that's comes with a bit of thunderstorm activity, lightning, etc., which we clearly don't want to be involved with.
Sure.
No. But otherwise, oh, you're famous in the media.
Oh, you are?
No, you are.
You are too.
Oh my God. People, I actually had somebody contact me during the night wanting to interview this morning, but we're not there. Anyway.
But we're on Russian TV. We saw it, didn't we?
We did. Yeah, yeah, it's you.
Oh, you were there.
You. For today's flight is taking us from the small airfield we've been at along the airway system, many different reporting points across the Urals, which is where we believe there's some weather systems sitting, probably due mostly to orographic lifting. We've got strong westerly winds, and at the moment we've got 132 knot ground speed, and which pretty much says we've got about 20 knots of wind on the nose, and that's what we were forecasted for. And we head on down towards the city of Samara. The landscape that we've been flying over almost since we entered Russia has been flat. Very flat. At the moment, with no exception.
At least we are visual, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well and truly.
That's a huge long train.
We're trundling along at flight level 080. Then we're asked to descend to 1,700 feet due to military activity. Well, what a great view we got of the Russian countryside, down low, up close. 6.5 hours we were on the ground at Krasny Yar, the home of Aerovolga, the manufacturers of a unique range of amphibian aircraft. Thank you, Sergey, Dmitry, and all of your team for hosting Bob and I on a great time at your airport. Well done.